welcome to our channel Science Tonic Experiments.
In this video, we learn about indicators from 10th class acids, bases and salts lesson.
Acids. Acid is sour to taste and turns blue litmus to red. Examples of acids are hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4 and lemon juice. Bases. Base is a soapy to touch and turns red litmus to blue color. Examples of bases are sodium hydroxide NaOH, magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice and toothpaste. How we can identify a substance is acidic in nature or basicity in nature. To identify the nature of substance, we use indicators. Indicators. The substance or solutions used to detect the nature of given solution for acidity or basicity are called indicators. Types of indicators: natural indicator, synthetic indicator or chemical indicators, olfactory indicators and universal indicators. Now we will learn one by one each indicators. First of all, we learn natural indicators. Natural indicators: turmeric, red cabbage juice, hibiscus and beetroot. These are the some examples of natural indicators. These indicators are obtained from plants, but we are using in laboratory. The blue litmus and red litmus papers are as natural indicators. These are also obtained from plants. These papers gives one color in acid and another color in base. Synthetic indicators are chemical indicators. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein are the examples are synthetic indicators or chemical indicators. The methyl orange indicator turns the acid into red color and the base into yellow color. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein gives in acid colorless solution. In bases it gives pink color solution. Now I will do some activities on indicators. Let's learn that one. Indicator activities with the acid. Take 4 watch glasses. Pour some hydrochloric acid in each watch glass. Observe here. Take a piece of blue litmus paper. Keep it into one watch glass. It turns into red color. That means acid changes blue litmus paper into red color. Take a piece of red litmus paper. Keep it into second watch glass. Here is no change. That means acid should not change anything the red litmus paper. Pour some drops of methyl orange indicator into third watch glass. It turns into red color. Observe here. That means methyl orange changes the acid into red color. Pour some drops of phenolphthalein indicator in fourth watch glass. It gives colorless solution. That means the phenolphthalein gives colorless solution in acid. Observe our observations in given table. Now we will learn indicator activities with bases. Take a packet of lime. It is also called calcium hydroxide. Prepare its solution with water. It works as a basic solution. Take 4 watch glasses. Pour some calcium hydroxide solution in each of them. take a piece of blue litmus paper in first watch glass. Here is no change. It means blue litmus paper should not change into base. Take a piece of red litmus paper, keep it into second watch glass. It turns into blue color. That means the base changes the red litmus into blue color. Pour some drops of methyl orange indicator into third watch glass. It turns into yellow color. Observe here. That means methyl orange changes the base into yellow color. Pour some drops of phenolphthalein indicator into fourth watch glass. It gives pink color solution. That means phenolphthalein gives the pink color solution in base. Observe our observations in given table. Olfactory indicators. There are some substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. These are called olfactory indicators. Odor means smell. It gives one smell in acid and another smell in base. The examples for olfactory indicators are vanilla essence, clove oil, onions.
Olfactory indicators retains its smell in acidic medium and loses its smell in basic medium.
Next indicators are universal indicators. It is a mixture of several indicators which gives different colors at different pH values. It shows different colors at different concentration of H plus ions in the solutions. On the pH scale, we can measure pH from 0 to 14. pH should be brought up simply as a number which indicated the acidic or basic nature of a solution.
If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science Tonic Experiments. Thank you for watching this video.